Since the beginning of the trading, both the euro and the pound sterling have started losing value, though very slowly. Thus, they continued the correctional movement that began on a Monday. Notably, today's drop could be mainly explained by the expectations of retail sales figures. The fact is that the decline in retail sales could accelerate to minus 2.8% from a minus 2.1%, according to the most optimistic forecast. There are assumptions that the indicator could slide by 3.1%. In general, all the predictions were not far from a reality, as retail sales shrank by 2.9%. For reference, retail sales are the main indicator of a consumer activity, which is the main driver of the Eurozone economy. In other words, judging by the macroeconomic data, Europe is inevitably sliding into recession, and this means that the greenback's drop seen last week is likely to be local and short-lived. In other words, the greenback may soon return to its previous highs. Let us take a look at the trading chart of the euro-dollar pair. The single currency continues to fall against the US dollar from the level of 1.0750. If the euro slides deeper, it may touch 1.0620. The upward scenario will become possible if the euro-dollar pair returns to 1.0750 and thus pointing to a possible rise in the volume of long positions. Meanwhile, the pound-dollar pair dropped to 1.2270 because of a technical rebound from the level of 1.24. And this movement allowed the US dollar to partly recoup its losses. Since the start of the trading session, the pair has broken 1.2270 amid high speculative activity and thus prolonging the inertial movement. If the price settles below this level, it may shrink to 1.2200. And that's all for now. We keep monitoring the financial market situation. Subscribe to our channel and see you in several hours. We will take a close look at the US trading session.